Because yesterday, you're kidding me.
Alright, let's keep going.
Yeah, let's go.
So wait, how do you ring on the second floor? Oh, right.
See that door right there?
Yes, that's level 1.
Yeah, on site. Yeah, level 4.
Look, that's the
Yeah, those are the weights. However, the bells for this one are all
Oh gosh. Is that the old one?
yeah. I mean, look at its headstock. It's completely bad.
Ooh.
Good luck.
So what is this one used for?
That's the ringing room.
So that's where you do it? Is that where he does it?
Yeah, in there.
We'll go in there later.
In there's where the magic happens.
Magic.
Then.
They even have elevators.
Oh yeah. Trust me, they've got this. It's basically a museum. Because up here is like this floor here is where the museum part of the side of things comes in. Because here, this is where you can get a view of the.
We can't go in there, can we?
No, we can.
Really?
Yeah, if you look.
This is nice. This is carpet, by the way, guys.
Yeah. So you can see the ropes in there.
It's like my reflection. It's pretty nice.
Yeah. Probably break the glass.
I swear I'll probably get told off for no filming. You allowed to film? Who cares?
Yeah, you're allowed to. They don't have a problem with it.
Really? Because your mum, I saw your mum film something.
Oh yeah, she filmed plenty.
This is pretty neat. I'm just not going to film any security stuff.
Oh yeah, forget that.
Yeah, I won't film that.
Because there is a passcode for the door we need to get in. Don't film that.
That was random.
Well, that's kind of.
Please do not open the curtains while the bell ringers are performing. Why? Why is that, Ethan? Why are we not allowed to open these? Look at this view though. Wait, is that the Rottnest Ferry? Look, there's the Rottnest Ferry, guys. Yeah?
This is the church where they originally came from.
Is that what?
St. Martin's in the Field. That's where they came from originally.
And it's turned into this like.
No, that's in England, bro. They've been transferred from England to here.
Damn. Oh, Rebecca, do you know those? Why we're not allowed to open these while they're performing?
Yeah, because the sun comes in and through and it distracts them.
Ah, okay. The bell tower, the one thing that drives you nuts.
What?
So what's this?
Oh, that's the grandfather clock that I hear every now and then.
The grandfather clock, you say?
Yeah, that's what they call them. There we go. That's where.
Oh, look at that clock. It must be 1,000 years old now.
Oh, dude, look at the thickness of the chime rods in it. I don't remember them being that thick.
Where's the chime? I'm sorry.
Those metal things there.
Oh, okay.
I don't remember them being that thick. Must have replaced them. Oh really? Was it Richard?
Yeah.
Richard who? Who's Richard?
Richard.
When we walked in, it kicked in, was talking about.
Look how steep that crane's going.
I know.
Look.
And here's the thing: when they add in the Anzac bell, they're gonna have to take all that off.
Do they?
Yep. How else will they get it in? What? Smashing the tower?
Yes, please. That would be fun
So
smashing.
you're going to fill them in on all the facts?
The facts?
The facts?
I don't need the facts.
I can tell them that later. So these are like some old, more Indian style stuff.
So when the bells were donated to Perth at the centenary, I think was we got them.
Oh yeah.
Long time ago.
Yeah, bicentenary, in 1988. Bell tower didn't open until 2001.
What'd you do with him?
Why didn't
Okie doke. What the heck? This guy's like invincible.
Okay, I don't think that is not English style ringing, but okay.
What? Yeah, what is this?
Oh, by the way, Liam,
Yeah.
that's the patterns.
Oh my god, thank god I'm not doing that.
Told you.
What the heck?
I think.
Oh. No thanks. There's the patterns, holy moly.
Yep.
Holy.
continue? So,
This is pretty cool.
So did we read this? Oh, well, you don't. You do, but Liam doesn't. He's never been here before. Doesn't really understand the relevance of what he's actually, what you actually do. Okay.
The bells of Runer's Church had important role for the faith.
I just realised the clock's actually broken.
Huh?
Look.
Alright, I'm
Look.
reading this.
If you look just there.
Okay. The swan bells are designed to include 18 change ringing bells. That's what 18 bells is change ringing.
I do chiming.
This is the first tower in the world where the ringers up to 16 will be required to ring together. This is the largest musical instrument in the world, this place.
Yep. So
There you
typically it's
go.
a
And the
musical
bells
instrument.
can be observed
This
by
is-
visitors.
So you're telling me this is a musical instrument?
Correct.
Yes.
Nah, you can't even hold this thing in your hands.
No, that's true.
Oh, well, you
Holy
technically
moly.
you can only hold the rope.
The bells are
Watch.
mounted in a square pattern and rung with one ringer on each bell to methods. So there's different methods. And
That's a method there.
Ethan's going to tell you the different methods.
Well, I don't know all
so
of
they're
them.
ever-changing patterns, not tunes.
What?
Right, so it's
They can't go out of tune.
It's mathematical. So look,
So it's physically not possible to go
So
out of tune.
That
So-
red line's following the treble, aka bell number 1, the
Right.
highest.
so it'll
Oh, there
be,
we go. That's the clock chime.
It'll be
That's Westminster.
That's
a
cool.
change ringing pattern called double Oxford Bob Minor. That's what this method is. Follows the rule that no change is repeated and that no
Yeah.
bell moves more than one place at a time.
What the heck?
How the heck? How's that working? You said it was broken.
Yeah, like the second hand here, look at it. It's completely broken. See the.
It's probably still running and that thing is
Yeah, I
like
mean,
broken.
pendulums. Like, that was definitely not a Westminster
Oh,
chime.
wait, hang on. Is it 12 o'clock? Because it usually rings every hour.
No, it rings every quarter hour, so
Yeah,
every
every-
50. When it gets to there,
Nana Pat's
got a clock.
clock. No, well, the clock chimes every half hour, doesn't it?
Yeah, like with like,
Oh, so it must be 12
Continue.
o'clock. When do you start doing your stuff? Huh?
well,
It's almost 12. Oh no, sorry. Oh, it's like 11. Huh? Please do not touch the cull. What the heck is a cull?
some weird pop thing.
What the heck is the cull? The cull.
Because Liam, just over there is St George's Cathedral, which is like also running at. They've got like 8 bells, nowhere near the amount we've got. And they're very light.
What's this like? A few pictures of the bell tower.
Yeah, that's our Carillion.
We're on level 3, and my legs are knackered.
Are we now?
Oh look, there's the dunnies. Yum
This
yum.
is the level that the bells are on.
No, this is the dummy level. This is where magic
Is this
happens.
the bell level where the bells are?
No, one more level.
One more level, sorry.
Yeah, I was about to say this is the dunny level.
This is where the magic happens.
No, I'm gonna name it the dunny level. Oh, I'm sick of walking up these stairs.
No, that's why you should take the elevator.
No. Elevator are for children's.
Here we are.
Oh, cool.
That's up right there.
The huge one.
Yep.
Oh.
1,400
Photo from you up here for years, Ethan.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I've got him in my YouTube video. It's all good.
Yeah. So
Yeah, stand there.
Hoi. Oh, hi, Obazanas.
Hey.
Look at your bums, not me.
Yeah.
I'll just. Yeah, that's okay. This one. If you guys want to visit. There you go. Oh, God.
So Liam, here we go. So you'll probably be chiming
Those.
these ones. I know,
Oh.
the little baby bells.
Imagine how long those ropes are.
They're very long.
Gosh.
Because
What is this, Rebecca? That stuff.
that's the
That's
position.
your bell configuration. So your tenor, Zachariah, he is in the middle.
Oh my God. Look at the size. You can fit a human in that thing.
Yep.
Okay, so
That's
a couple of the
insane.
gentlemen pull that one.
Yeah, that's why we never bring it into the position they're in. Now this
What?
bell
What
here
position?
is a bit of a sad one. That's
What?
the dumbbell.
The what bell?
The dumbbell. It makes no noise.
How? I can't see it. Which one?
That one there. That one just there. See it? That one. It's just
It
like
just looks like a metal.
yeah, it's just a triangle.
Mm.
So here we go.
Oh, this is cool. This is actually.
Oh my god.
Oh,
That took me
dude.
by surprise.
The view.
Liam, so you can see here.
Wow, oh, look, there's the bus. Bus.
So Liam, you can see what I mean by the stay and slider.
It's like all open. I love that.
I know, you get a good view.
It's a
around.
bit blurry. I can't see the rock necessarily.
So Liam, you can see what I mean by the stay and slider.
The what?
The stay, which is that wooden bit, just there,
Oh, yeah.
and slider.
Oh, yes, that's what you were telling me about. Yeah.
If we come around here, you'll get a better view of it.
Oh, we're not allowed in there.
Yeah, I know. You can just see it.
Are you allowed in there? Any
Nah.
visitors? Or is it just,
No,
just, for,
nah.
It is nice.
just for staff?
Just
Yes.
So,
So-
why would this even be a door here? Like,
for maintenance.
Maintenance.
They do need to maintain and
Because
stuff.
the heaviest
okay.
bell I've rung in this tower is that one there. The heaviest.
Stays get broken, don't they, Ethan?
If we overpull it, but like no one discriminates you or anything.
so Ethan's never rung the huge bell.
Oh no, that one there's the heaviest I've rung. That one right there.
Oh, yeah. Might be okay. Imagine putting your ear next to one of those, it would bleed.
Super loud.
Oh, fun
when
fact.
When they start ringing, I don't know how many that you'll get today, but when they start ringing, there's also a
That's
lot of
right.
them, the building moves.
Oh,
Yeah.
gosh, really?
That's why the bells are hung usually so they're swinging opposite from each other.
Oh,
Because the amount of force that's
Come
being
here.
applied is absolutely.
So there you go, there's a configuration of the bell. So when it's ringing, watch the clapper change sides and watch the wooden stay and the slider when it
Are we
it's
allowed to be
moving.
up here when they ring?
Yes.
I'm gonna sit here while I watch Ethan. I'm just be like, Ethan, how you
it's-
going down there?
It's kind of
So-
interesting.
So there we go.
Yeah.
You can
Where
see.
they're going.
So
Dude, I wish I want
Liam.
to stay up here and watch these.
So Liam.
things. Yeah.
for the viewers,
What?
there. That's what I'm talking about. Stay and slider engaging.
Oh yes, that wooden plank. Yeah.
Yeah. Because if we overpull it, that's what
Is there a
breaks.
chair up here? Oh, there's some over here. I'll be back. My umbrella's broken again. I gotta fix it.
Because if we overpull it, the stay breaks and we've lost the bell, basically.
Great. Imagine that falling on someone. How's the? Oh.
Individual bells have personality, many have names, like Big Ben in the clock tower of the Houses of Parliament in London. Most cast bells are marked, sometimes the maker's mark, which are only part of the inscription. Some decoration may be cast on the surface of the bell.
So they're named. Oh wow. Like that huge
So
one.
these are all.
So the large one is Zachariah, and that one there next to it is called the
So all the
sub-tenor,
bells
John.
here are listed here and all their relevances. So they'll tell you which note that they play.
Yes.
So for example, you treble, right? So it plays a
D flat. D. Just a D. Yeah, just D.
Oh my!
It's just
Look
a
at
D.
the
No, it's not. That's
weight.
D sharp, isn't it?
D sharp.
That's
So
D
wait.
sharp.
Could you realise not all
This
of these...
bell marks the second.
Millennium that was cast for Western Australian State Government Honourable Richard Court, 1997. And that's your weight.
Because not...
That's a bit. That's a lot of weight.
Yeah,
Liam,
that's one
because not
Zachariah
all of
there.
these bells came from St Martin's in the fields.
Where's
Not
that?
all of them.
Where's Zachariah?
Yeah. I know.
Liam, so let me show you which ones didn't come from St Martin's in the fields. So... That one did not come from St Martin's in the fields.
Mhm. Right, Ethan's the pro at this, guys. I just know
There's
nothing.
Zachariah down here.
And
Zachariah.
all,
I'm coming.
all
I'm
those
coming.
bells there.
Hang on, Ethan. I'll be back with you. Rebecca's.
Zachariah knows to be.
So is that the big one
That's
here?
the biggest, right? So it's
It's also called the
1480
tenor.
kgs.
Oh,
So Zachariah
Don't wanna mess with
hears.
that's insane. Is that the one in there?
Yeah, the one in the
Oh
middle.
my
very
god.
So it'd be
It's a massive bell.
around about the weight of a car, I guess.
A
middle.
car.
More than a car, probably.
Nah, about a car.
About a car.
Yeah. What?
'Cause-
That's insane for
So,
a bit of
Liam.
Holy.
So these bells here did not come from St Martin's in the Fields.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, neither did that
Hey
one.
boys,
Oh,
let's go
10.
over by the window and take a photo and I'll send it to your mum and your dad.
Yeah.
Alright.
You do know Liam's actually putting this on his YouTube channel, so.
Alright, I'll put that there. Sorry guys, you're gonna have to
Stand over there.
Yeah, this won't take long.
Oh, I'm not standing here. Like a spirit's gonna push me around. Oh,
Oh gosh.
stand. Oh, shit.
I don't like this. I don't like this.
Ready?
No.
The bell tower is one of the largest musical instruments in the world, and there are over 5 tons of bells contained within this tower.
Alright, now I'll show you.
The
Ready?
oldest
Nice
one
one,
on
nice one,
display
boys.
dates from 1550s. Now the 12 largest bells.
Alright, gotta get the one before Alright, we took a photo right here and I got the chills and it was just not nice. Alright, so
They rang to celebrate Cook's
yeah. I've heard that thing like 3
They
times now.
rang to celebrate the victory at the Battle of
Alright.
and have run for national and
So what do you think? So that's the heaviest I've on there. That's
Dude.
not too bad.
The Zachariah though, holy moly.
You don't need to worry about the weight of the bell because you just simply pull it off the balance and gravity does the rest.
Later on guys, we're gonna be up here and we're gonna
Yeah, and Liam's gonna get to have a go at himself, isn't
God, this
he?
is a long video. This is gonna take 10 years to upload.
No kidding.
Next one, here we go.
So
Here
up
we go.
here you'll see
We go, Joe.
the bells that are wrong.
I think the bells rang a bit too hard right there.
Oh jeez. Now I don't feel safe.
Oh yeah.
So Liam, if you look in that window there,
What one?
that window, right there. There's more.
Here we go. More history. Oh, they're tiny.
Those were run by the clock we heard earlier.
Uh-huh.
But these are tiny, tiny midget bells.
That one's a bit big. The
Yeah,
last
that one there strikes the hour.
Oh, I see, says the blind man.
Yeah, so these play West.
Oh, look, it has the date on it. You guys won't be able to see it. Hang on.
Yeah.
I'm gonna zoom in. I can't zoom in. Wait, can I?
Trash.
Oh! I can't zoom in. Damn. But it has the date on the first one. 1960, the first bell.
19 something. They're all
Level
done.
5. Authorized personal. only.
So if we go up there, we'll be on the observation deck.
You guys can pause that and then read it.
Yeah, so that's going to be our Borden bell, which is apparently going to weigh about 3 tons.
I'm gonna have to make a part 2, guys, and I'm gonna have to show you the
Yeah, so maybe the
bells
part two
ringing.
can be when you're actually having a go and I'll be recording.
No! I'm gonna put the all the way at the top there.
Okay, this will be wet out here, boys, alright? So
Yeah.